Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can read the text file in Java. Our text file is data.txt and we are going to read the data.txt in the Java program. First, I will show you how you can use the file utils class to read the file. So in the file utils class, there is a function read file to string. So this method is going to read the complete file into the string and we'll get the data into the str variable and we can see the data by printing on the console. So run the example. So it printed all the lines. Next example is this, and in this example we are using the file input stream and then the buffered reader to read the file line by line. So create the object of file input stream, then create the object of buffer reader class and pass the file stream reader object, and using the while loop you can read all the lines while str line is equal to br.read line is not null, read and print on the console. So run this and you will see it is printing all the lines. Here it printed all the lines, and finally you need to close the file stream. Next example is the use of buffered reader. So we are reading the file using the buffered reader and adding the line into the list and finally printing the list. So you can run the example and you will get the data into the list. I will provide you the link to the source code described here, and you can visit our website and get the source code from there. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.